Hello, it's me. Welcome to my channel. Let's get straight to the point. In this video, we're going to reveal how much money top traders make in a year. But before we do that, there is something you need to understand. Making a lot of money trading is not an easy task. It takes a lot of skill, experience, and discipline. However, with the right mindset and approach, anyone can learn to trade like a pro and start seeing real results. If you think trading is just about luck or being at the right place at the right time, then you are sorely mistaken. In this video, we will show you exactly what it takes to become a successful trader and how much money you can make along the way. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn everything you need to know about trading like a pro. As a beginner, you may be wondering why you should even bother with trading. Well, let us tell you, the potential rewards are simply too good to pass up. According to recent surveys, the average return on investment for a full-time trader is around 20% per year. That means if you invest $100, you could earn an additional $20 every year without doing any work. And the best part, there are no limits to how much money you can make. With the right skills and experience, you could be earning tens of thousands of dollars per year. Now let's explore some ways to make money from trading. One of the most important things to keep in mind when trading is your portfolio allocation. You want to have a mix of stocks, bonds, and other assets that will provide you with a steady income stream. For example, if you invest $1,000 into SPY, you would receive approximately $15 per month in dividends. But that's just one example. There are plenty of other options out there that could potentially pay you even more. Another way to make money from trading is by day trading. This involves buying and selling assets within a single day to capitalize on small price movements. While it can be risky, many successful traders have built a fortune doing just that. For instance, if you buy 100 shares of a stock at 10 o'clock in the morning and sell it an hour later for a small profit, you could repeat this process throughout the day and earn a substantial income. If you're looking for a more hands-off approach to trading, consider swing trading. This strategy involves holding on to assets for longer periods, usually weeks or even months, to take advantage of larger price trends. By patiently waiting for the right moment to buy and sell, swing traders can generate significant profits over time. For example, if you buy 100 shares of a stock that increases in value by 20 over 3 months, you would have made a healthy profit without having to actively trade every day. Finally, let's talk about algo trading, which involves using computer programs to execute trades automatically based on predefined rules. This allows traders to make quick decisions without the emotional involvement that can often lead to poor choices. For instance, if you develop an algorithm that buys low and sells high, it can continuously monitor the market for profitable opportunities and execute trades accordingly, generating income even while you sleep. If you want to learn more about algo trading, we highly recommend checking out our previous video on the topic. It covers everything from the basics of coding to advanced strategies that can help you become a successful algo trader. We guarantee you'll walk away with valuable insights that can potentially change your financial future. So don't miss out. Go check it out now. Now for the moment you've been waiting for, how much money do top traders make in a year? Well, the answer may surprise you. On average, the top 1% of traders make over $2 million per year. That's right. You heard it right. And the best part, it's possible to join their ranks with the right mindset and approach to trading. If you're willing to put in the hard work and dedication required to become a top trader, the sky is the limit. You can earn a substantial income and achieve financial independence by following the strategies and tips we've shared in this video. To sum it all up, trading can be a lucrative career choice if you know what you're doing. As we've seen, it's possible to make anywhere from $15 to $2 million per year by investing in dividend-paying stocks, day trading, swing trading, or algo trading. It's important to remember that becoming a successful trader takes time and practice. Don't expect to get rich quick. Instead, focus on learning the strategies and techniques that work and continually honing your skills. If you've already tried your hand at trading, be sure to share your experiences in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about algo trading, be sure to check out our other video on the topic. We hope you've enjoyed this video and learned something valuable. Remember, the key to success in trading is knowledge and practice. So keep learning, keep practicing, and you'll be on your way to becoming a top trader in no time. Thanks for watching, and best of luck in your trading journey.